Is it time to buy or sell Bumble stock? In this video, we will explore Bumble in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 18th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You will not want to miss any vital updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 14th of February, 2025, our system has categorized Bumble as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of -0.94. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of 4.26% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. This amounts to an average loss of 2.13% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock currently rests within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further decline within this trend. The existing 3-month trend points to a potential decrease of 3% over the next 3 months, with an estimated return ranging from -13.22% to +5.69%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a projected decline of 36.67% over the following year, with a possible return between -74.53% and -37.5%. This suggests a price range of approximately $2.06 to $5.10 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Bumble includes the headline, Bumble Inc. stock downgraded from buy candidate to hold accumulate after Tuesday trading session. The Bumble Inc. stock price decreased by 4.26% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, February 18th, 2025, dropping from 8.46 to 8.10. During that day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 6.08%, with a low of 8.06 and a high of 8.55. The price has been quite volatile during this period, resulting in a gain of 0.87% over the last 2 weeks. On the last day, trading volume increased by 3 million shares, although it coincided with falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 5 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $42.29 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $13.56, while the lowest was $4.80. Currently, the price is 40.27%, or $5.40, below the 52-week high and 90.45%, or $76.70, below the all-time high recorded on February 12, 2021, when the price peaked at $84.80. Bumble Inc., trading under the ticker BMBL, has recently reported its fourth quarter earnings for the year 2024. The results highlight a mix of challenges and strategic initiatives that could shape the company's stock performance in the future. While Bumble maintains a strong foundation and has announced an exciting pipeline of innovations aimed at boosting user engagement, its forecast for first quarter sales has fallen short of Wall Street expectations. This has raised concerns among investors, resulting in a drop in share prices following the earnings announcement. The financial results indicate sluggish growth, with revenue projections suggesting that Bumble's efforts to rekindle user interest are taking longer than anticipated. Such forecasts can adversely affect investor sentiment in the short term, potentially leading to further declines as market confidence diminishes. However, the long-term outlook hinges on how effectively Bumble can implement its strategic priorities and leverage its product roadmap. If the company succeeds in revitalizing user engagement and driving growth, it could position itself for recovery, ultimately enhancing stock performance. Conversely, ongoing underperformance, or an inability to adapt to market demands, could significantly impact its valuation. At this point, volatility appears likely, considering the mixed signals present in the recent earnings report. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 2nd of January 2025, it was reported that Wolfe Research assigned BMBL a peer perform rating with a downgrade action. On Tuesday, the 3rd of December 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned BMBL a neutral rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 29th of October, 2024, it was reported that Deutsche Bank assigned BMBL a hold rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 27th of September, 2024, it was reported that KeyBank assigned BMBL a sector weight rating with a downgrade action. On Monday, the 16th of September, 2024, it was reported that Loop Capital Markets assigned BMBL a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Bumble stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock with a strong sell designation. The following signals have been identified for Bumble. Bumble Inc. stock currently indicates a sell signal from the short-term moving average, while also showing a buy signal from the long-term average. With the short-term average positioned above the long-term average, this creates an overall buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. If the stock continues to gain, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $8.36. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average near $8.03. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will generate a sell signal. Additionally, a buy signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which could impact near-term performance. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, February 4th, 2025, with a decrease of 6.25% observed thus far. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, trading volume increased during yesterday's price drop, which could serve as an early warning sign, indicating that closer monitoring of the stock is advisable. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 10 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 10 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 16 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reflected a buy signal from 13 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average shows a sell signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 20 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages presented a buy signal from 64 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Bumble. Bumble Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $7.75, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with a solid trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated 490 cents between its high and low, representing a change of 6.08%. Over the past week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 3.85%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Bumble, let's quickly review some important fundamental data. First, consider the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This vital metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, persistent negative PE ratios may hint at insufficient profitability and an increased risk of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 6th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates predict earnings of approximately 30.8 cents per share. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Bumble. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Bumble is at $8.23. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before making a purchase. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Bumble encounters its first support level at $7.75. If this support level holds, it might provide a good entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Bumble from multiple analyst sources is sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 10th of February, 2025, Heard Whitney Wolf conducted an insider sale of 3,076 shares of Class A common stock. On the 10th of February, 2025, Subramanian Anuradha B. conducted an insider sale of 2,317 shares of Class A common stock. On the 29th of January, 2025, Monteleone Elizabeth conducted an insider purchase of 63,968 shares of Class A common stock. On the 2nd of January, 2025, Jones Lydiane S. conducted an insider sale of 65,297 shares of Class A common stock. On the 29th of December, 2024, Subramanian Anuradha B. conducted an insider sale of 1,855 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 78.816. Overall, insiders purchased 3,176,992 shares and sold 29,926,774 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $7.75, reflecting a decline of 4.36%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a moderate level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 9 days ago. Is Bumble stock a good buy? Bumble Incorporated presents several positive signals. However, we do not find these sufficient for a buy recommendation at this time. Instead, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, allowing investors to either maintain their position or accumulate more shares while monitoring future developments. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our recommendation for this stock from a buy to a hold or accumulate status since our last evaluation. After assessing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 19th of February, we anticipate Bumble to open at approximately 13.7 cents, beginning the session at $8.24. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. It is important not to base your investment choices solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.